So thinking about the impact of the fundraiser, the students actually started it. I asked them what project they wanted to do this year, and they say they wanted to help other students in need and their families.
To know that I raised over our goal, it just like surprises me, and it makes me really happy that I helped others in need, and I helped them at least get a place to sleep at night and something to eat, and it makes me like, it just, my feelings are just everywhere. I just feel so happy right now.
Just to know that we raised $1,500, that was insane. I mean, coming here, I thought it was just gonna be some type of hobby, but it's grown on me so much, and the people that I've met, it's really crazy. It hit me really hard, and I'm not planning on stopping here. I'm planning on going bigger and bigger.
And the thing that has moved me the most is seeing how that shy young girl grows over the period of a year as a Miss Victorious Princess, to be a bold and confident voice to speak up for what is right and to stand against that which is wrong. I'm so thankful to see this type of awesome change in the young ladies I mentor and work with fighting against bullying. This let me know that my work has not been in vain.
I got a couple of messages on Instagram from different students around the district sharing similar experiences as to what I went through and thanking me for calling in. And it really meant a lot knowing that, you know, I'm helping work towards a place where future students won't have to go through the experiences that we did.
And what surprised me the most about my projects was the amazing reception I got at them. I can't imagine that upwards of 5,000 people took the time out of their day to come and watch my video. I also can't imagine that my school district posted it on their social medias, and I can't thank them enough for that.
Bullying and bowling profession, they always seemed like they're curious and want to learn more about it. And it's been surprising for me seeing how many kids want to change that.
In the past 10 years of hosting Unity Day, we have seen the Boys and Girls Club become a second home to youth and staff to become comfortable with who they are, where youth have become kinder, more caring, and more accepting. What surprised us the most is how much our staff and our youth have embraced this change and created an inclusive environment for everyone at the club.
We hope that it continues to grow so that we are able to raise more awareness, more prevention, and more help for anyone, and mostly the children that are in need of it.